Hello everyone. Today I will unboxing the Untitled Tarot deck, and yeah, I think this is by Anna, and I buy this from eBay, from eBay, and with the price around 23.78 US dollar, and it's delivered to my place I'm in Indonesia, in Bali. It's like around 10 days, I guess, with a standard shipment. And now we gonna open this box. Alright, okay, I show you on the back. Every card tells a story. Alright. Created by Austrian artist Anna K. Alright, this deck stays true to the Rider-Waite tradition, but eliminates many of the esoteric symbols. Alright, so let's open that package. Okay, so this is a little bit maybe from the delivery, but it's okay. Little bit looks a little bit broken on the box, but inside is still good. Okay, I see the introduction books. It's beautiful. It's like soft, very soft, and that is inside with the image and the meaning of the card. But I think there is no reversal instruction in here. Okay, but definitely the card you can do with reversal. You can do it reversal. Alright, so let's see the cards. So I will open this. Oh, I love the black color, black tarot deck. It's just amazing for me. Anyway, but I love the other decks too. This is special. Wow. Alright. Okay. So here's the images. So we start. This is the major arcana. Number 0 is the Fool. Looks like similar like the Rider-Waite. And here is the Magician with the 4 tools, and looks like old guy. And here is the High Priestess, number 2. And here number 3 is the Empress, beautiful mother. Okay, and the face is looks like a little bit like a man, but it's a beautiful woman actually. So this is the number 4, the Emperor, the King, amazing. And number 5 is, wow, here is the High Priestess, but it's actually number 5 is the Hierophant, and something wrong with that. And here is the Lovers, number 6. Okay, romantic partner. And here is the 7, the Chariot, with speed, right? And number 8 is Justice. And here's the Hermit, major arcana number 9, with the lights, the lantern, the candle here. And number 10 is the Wheel of Fortune, big wheel. And yeah, I see there is someone fall down and some others is trying to get up. Alright, so beautiful. And then number 11 is the strength with the lion, symbolism of Leo. And here number 12, the hangman. Yeah, there is a raining here, and that guy is still hanging there, sacrificing. Alright, here the number 13, the death, major arcana, ruling by Scorpio. Not look so scary. And then the number 14, the temperance, ruling by Sagittarius. Alright, beautiful. And then here is the devil, major arcana, ruling by Capricorn. Okay, that's not too scary as the devil. And here someone having sex addiction, and someone is fighting with the blood on the swords. And I also see someone have addiction with material, money. Okay, and someone drunk there also. So here is the next, the number 16, the tower. Alright, there is water here, and persons fall down, and the building is crashed down. And here is the star. Wow, beautiful. Clear sky. Okay, and here is the moon. The major arcana number 18. Okay, looks like not really full moon. And here's the sun, very bright with the sunflower. And here is the comparing with the moon and the sun. Okay, so number 20 is the judgment. So this is about rebirth, and they have angels and people come out from the cave. Alright. And number 20 is the world. Okay. I don't oh, there is the earth on there. So we go to the minor arcana. Here is the ace of rods, which is ace of wands, ace of wands. And here the two of wands, two of rods. Looks like thinking which direction that you want to choose. Even though there is 3 choice, but it's main choices. You're dealing with choices. Okay. And here is the 3 of rods. Alright. And the 4 of rods. 5 of rods. Oh, looks like competition. And the 6 of rods, champion, victory. The 7 of rods. Okay, so looks like fighting. And here is the 8 of rods, which is a message, delivery message or news. And here is the 9 of rods. Wow, with a grumpy face. Okay. And the 10 of rods. This more looks like he looks like scary and not holding that once. Okay. In the normal rider weight is that man is holding so many baggage, so many ones. And here is a little bit different. Here is the page, the court card, page of rods, which is page of wands, and the knight of rods. Okay, the queen of rods, the King of Rods. So the Queen and the King is like facing to each other. And here is the next Cups. Ace of Cups. And the Two of Cups. Romantic. The Three of Cups. Partying, celebration. Nice. And the Four of Cups. Okay. This guy looks like not interested with any food. And Five of Cups, with the cups break and fall down, and still have some cups on his back. And here is the Six of Cups. Oh, nice. And the Seven of Cups. Choices. Anyway, it looks like imagination also. And the Eight of Cups, living. The Nine of Cups. Wow, great happiness, wish fulfillment. And the Ten of Cups. That's beautiful. Like feeling peace. Alright. And the Page of Cups, court card. Looks like a man take water. And alright. It's actually message news. Okay, and the Knight of Cups. Wow, handsome guy with a flower. And the Queen of Cups. Nice. And the King of Cups. So they're not facing each other here. Okay. Here is the Ace of Pentacles. Looks like finding a big treasures. Two of Pentacles. Juggling. Right. And there is Three of Pentacles. Okay. The Four of Pentacles. Wow. It's so cute. Anyway, he's so worried with the money. And here's the Five of Pentacles. Feeling left out in the cold. And here's the Six of Pentacles. Okay, beautiful. The Seven of Pentacles. Ooh. Planting seed. Alright, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Working. And here is the Nine of Pentacles. Looks like rich girl. Glamorous dress. Ten of Pentacles. Family. With a born new baby. Oh well. The court card. Page of Pentacles. Fishing. Fishing money. And here is the Knight of Pentacles. Alright. The Queen of Pentacles. Wow, look, so many fruit she have. And the King of Pentacles. Okay. Alright, and here is the Ace of Swords. Nice. The Two of Swords. He's not blindfold. He's not blindfold. But I think this is the blindfold that is already open. And emotion, water. Okay. There, the Three of Swords. This man looks like very sad when she leaves, and the roses fall down. It's like this heartbreak. Okay. And the Four of Swords. This is more like having illness or bed rest. Okay. And the Five of Swords. Oh, this is really a real fight, and it's scary. Have a look. Okay. And the Six of Swords. Nice. Traveling through the water. And here is the Seven of Swords, the thief. Wow, smart trick. He bring the money and he bring the swords together and the gold. Alright, okay. And the Eight of Swords. Wow. This is more looks like real. When you face a mirror and you see yourself like that. Anyway. Amazing. The Nine of Swords. Cannot sleep at night. Okay. And the Ten of Swords. Wow. This is nice too. And that person is get up and put the swords behind him. Even though he's bleeding, but he's get up. Survive. Alright. The Page of Swords, court card. Okay. The Knight of Swords. And the Queen of Swords. Beautiful queen. And the King of Swords. Wow. Playing chess. Okay. So that's all the 78 cards in this deck. And I will try to shuffle. Okay. So that's like this big from my hand. Okay. Alright. And I think it's easy to shuffle it. It's easy and soft, also soft, and good quality of cards. Good quality. Okay, what if I'm doing this? Oh, it's easy too. Okay. So let's see what's the first card that I can get from this deck. Alright, the King of Cups. Wow. Alright. So that's all from Anna K Tarot deck, and I hope you enjoy it. And here is the box. And thank you for watching. I see you again next time. Bye bye.